Good morning and welcome to day 2. Today, we wake the core and ignite inner energy. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist side to side. Feel your belly warm and your breath flow freely. Move through cat and cow slowly. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round the back. Awaken your center strength. Press into the earth, lift your hips, draw your navel in. Lengthen from belly to spine with steady breath. Shift forward into plank. Engage your abs, steady your gaze, breathe strong and confident in this power zone. Draw your right knee toward your chest. Exhale fully, switch sides slowly. Each move builds core fire inside you. Lower your hips side to side with control. Feel your waist and lower belly tone with every mindful rotation. Drop to forearms, tighten your abs, hold strong. Breathe deeply through the challenge. You are centered and calm. Rest your hips back, stretch arms long, release the belly. In stillness, strength is quietly reborn. Slide forward, lift your chest, open your heart. Feel the gentle stretch across your core as sunlight warms your skin.
Flow smoothly from plank to downward dog. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower, keeping your core alive.
Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Keep belly engaged, chest open. Breathe steady warmth into your hips. Switch to your left side slowly. Stretch your spine upward, press hips down, and feel length across your core. Sit tall and lift your legs into boat pose. Engage your abs, balance softly, and smile through the tremble. Lower your feet slightly and lift again. Small pulses fire deep core muscles. Breathe with control and focus. Twist side to side, keeping belly tight. Each rotation sculpts your waistline and strengthens your spine. From plank, bring your right knee toward right elbow, then switch. Slow motion builds true abdominal control. Push hips high, heels down. Let the belly stretch long and your breath reset. Sit tall, hinge forward over your legs. Lengthen spine, soften shoulders. Feel calm strength in your center. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. You've completed the warm-up block. Hold strong on your forearms. Tighten the abs and breathe rhythmically. Power grows through patience. Switch sides with control. Keep belly tight. Lift the hips. Open the chest to the morning sky. Lower hips side to side. Each drop chisels your waist and tones your lower core. Steady breathing. Lie back. Pull both knees toward chest as you exhale. Engage the belly and feel warmth build deeply. Extend legs up and lower slowly halfway. Keep abs tight. Control matters more than height. Alternate gentle flutter kicks. Keep lower back pressed down. Breathe evenly through steady rhythm. Twist right elbow to left knee. Switch sides. Move slow, precise. Feel each muscle fire with purpose. Press feet into mat. Lift hips high. Engage glutes and abs together. Open the front body with energy. Lower hips 1 inch, lift again. Tiny pulses wake your lower abs. Breathe strength into every lift. Rise up to standing. Roll shoulders back, draw core in. Feel tall and grounded beneath sunrise light. Reach left arm overhead and lean right. Stretch through the side waist. Awaken obliques and ribs. Change sides gently. Keep hips still, belly firm. Lengthen left body line with calm breath. Bend knees, sink low, raise arms. Draw navel towards spine. Hold steady strength in your center. Twist right elbow outside left knee. Keep knees aligned, spine long. Feel the waist tightening. Switch twist to the other side. Exhale deeper. Maintain calm power through your breath. Step back, open arms wide. Engage the bell, soften shoulders, feel power flowing through balance. Slide back hand down leg, lift front arm up. Stretch right side body, expand through heart and core. Switch sides. Strong legs, tight core, gaze forward with quiet confidence. Lift left arm high, stretch the side body. Inhale energy, exhale tension. Balance both strength and softness. Straighten front leg, reach forward, hand to shin. Keep belly firm, chest open to morning light. Switch sides, breathe slow and deep. Lengthen both flanks equally, spine steady and strong. Feet hip width apart, twist torso gently right and left. Release stiffness, energize the waistline. Feet hip width apart, twist torso gently right and left. Release stiffness, energize the waistline. Embrace the calm energy of the sunrise. Let it fill you with peace and intention for the day ahead. Lift right knee to chest, hold balance. Engage abs and find control through still breath. Switch legs. Focus your gaze forward, core tight, calm strength inside every inhale. Place right foot to inner thigh, palms together. Stand tall, serene, steady like morning air. Change sides smoothly. Keep spine lifted, eyes soft, heart calm. Stand tall, inhale arms up, exhale arms down. Let peace fill your chest as energy balances within. Fold forward softly, let gravity release tension. Breathe calmness into lower belly and legs. Return to sitting, eyes closed. Appreciate your effort, the core is awake, your energy renewed. Hold boat pose, breathe through the shake, lift your chest and keep your belly strong. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower halfway. Stay steady. Feel the core burn kindly. Alternate legs with slow control. Breathe evenly through the movement. Bring knees to chest. Hug them in. Relax for one breath. Appreciate your strength. Rock forward and back. Keep abs tight, keep breathing calm. Right foot forward, sink hips, engage abs, open chest. Stand tall, feel the heartbeat of effort settling into calm. Switch sides, elongate, draw strength from gentle balance. Bend knees, sink lower, spine long, core steady. This is control. Bring left elbow outside right knee. Exhale deeply through twist. Change sides, maintain breathing rhythm, core alive. Hold from hips, relax neck, let gravity release tension. Inhale, flatten back, awaken spinal length. Hold strong, eyes forward. Exhale slowly, strength through stillness. Walk feet closer, lift hips. Exhale, return. Core and shoulders working together. Knees wide, forehead down. Slow, full breaths, inner quiet. Lift heart softly, open abdomen to morning warmth. Stretch the hamstrings, relax in belly, release any remaining strain. Join soles of feet, flutter knees softly, open the hips. Right arm down, left arm overhead, inhale length, exhale release. Lie down, draw right knee across body, gaze left. Feel spine unwind. Hug both knees close, small, rock side to side, soften lower back. Press feet down, lift hips, Engage glutes, open front body. Lower hips one vertebra at a time. Melt tension away. Hold feet, open knees, playful release for hips and core. Extend arms and legs long, yawn, breath in, sigh, breath out. Bring soles together, hands on belly, breathe into your center. Bring soles together, hands on belly, breathe into your center. Lift shoulders gently, exhale, tighten core, inhale, lower softly. Lift shoulders gently, exhale, tighten core, inhale, lower softly. Close eyes, feel warmth spreading through the midsection. Inhale, calm light. Exhale, release. Body and mind now balanced. Bring palms together, bow head slightly, honor your dedication. Lift your gaze, smile softly. You showed up today, that matters most. Camera pulls back slowly, morning light wraps around peace and power. Whisper to yourself, I am strong, calm, and consistent. You've completed day 2 of the 30-day yoga challenge. Take a sip of water. Breathe gratitude for your effort. Stay with your routine. Tomorrow we move with even more energy. Peace within, power within. Namaste.